This is question 55 from book number 1 based on the 2020 NEC, and this is electricaltime.com. For example, if a type AC cable has a radius of ½ inch, what would be the smallest bending radius of the curve of the inner edge of the bend? Just want to take 30 seconds to let you know what we do here at electricaltime.com. We do online electrical classes from the comfort of your home. And then we also have this free service. So if you click on the subscribe for free NEC questions, Monday through Friday, you'll get an NEC code question and an answer sent to your email. All right, so back to our video. And the answer to this question is going to be D, and that is 5 inches. All right, so before we look at the article from which this belongs to, and we all know that's going to be Article 320 for, type AC cable, let's just take a look at this AC cable that we've got over here. So in identifying a radius, so let's take a look and find out what a radius is, but let's take a look first at a diameter of a circle. All right, so the diameter for this cable is going to start here and there, and that distance all the way across that type AC cable, that is going to be our diameter. The radius is half of that diameter, and that's going to be represented by the letter R. Again, the radius is half of the diameter. So if we wanted to find out what the diameter is, and we know that the radius is ½ inch, so it'd be half times 2, and that's going to be 1 inch. All right, so let's look in our code book, in our textbook actually, and let's go take a look and see what we got here. All right, so we've identified that this is going to be Article 320 armored cable, and that is called type AC, and that's within Chapter 3, Wiring Methods and Materials. And then we look at Part 2, and that's called Installation. And then we find 320.24, and that is called Bending Radius. And what is the bending radius? And here's what it is for type AC cable. Bends in type AC cable shall be made such that the cable is not damaged. The radius of the curve of the inner edge of any bend shall not be less than 5 times the diameter of the type AC cable. All right, so let's go take a look in our textbook and see what we have to say about that. We know the radius of the AC cable is ½ inch. The formula for the diameter of a circle, or in this case, for the AC cable, which is round, is we've got D is equal to 2R, where D is equal to the diameter, and R is equal to the radius, where D is equal to 2 times ½ inch, and that's going to give us 1 inch. NEC 320.24 says that the bending radius of the curve of the inner edge of any bend for AC cable shall not be less than 5 times the diameter. Therefore, 5 times the diameter of 1 inch is equal to 5 inches, and that is the answer. So again, the answer here is going to be D, and that's 5 inches. Code reference 320.24.